Tired of long queues, endless paperwork, and those awkward face-to-face interactions with bank tellers just to open a bank account? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. So, what if I told you there's a way to open a bank account from the comfort of your couch, without all the hassle? Let's dive into the world of online banking, specifically with monese. Now, I know what you're thinking. Online banking? Is it really safe? Good question. Let's address that right away. Online banking has come a long way. With advanced security measures in place, your money is as safe, if not safer, than it would be in a physical bank. But we'll get to that later. First, let's talk about why you might need an online bank account. Maybe you're a freelancer or a digital nomad who's always on the go. Or perhaps you're simply someone who values convenience and efficiency. Whatever your reason, there's no denying that having a bank account you can manage from anywhere is a game changer. So, what is monese? Well, it's an online banking platform that's designed to make your financial life easier. They offer a range of services, from personal accounts to business accounts, and everything in between. But the real magic lies in how simple it is to get started. Opening a monese account is as easy as ordering your favorite food online. You simply download the app, provide some basic information, and verify your identity. No more trips to the bank, no more waiting in line. It's all done digitally. But what about your money? Is it safe and secure? As I mentioned earlier, security is a top priority for monese. They use advanced encryption technology to protect your data, and your money is protected by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. So, you can rest assured that your funds are in good hands. Once you've opened your account, you can start enjoying the benefits. Monese offers a range of features, including the ability to send and receive money internationally, set spending limits, and even track your expenses. It's like having a personal financial assistant right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the costs. Monese offers different plans to suit different needs. There's a free plan with basic features, and then there are paid plans with additional perks like higher spending limits and international money transfers. It's important to choose the plan that best fits your lifestyle and budget. Is monese right for everyone? Well, that depends. If you're someone who prefers traditional banking and likes to handle your finances in person, then monese might not be the best fit for you. But if you're looking for a convenient, secure, and affordable way to manage your money, then monese is definitely worth considering. To sum it up, opening a bank account online with monese is a quick, easy, and secure way to take control of your finances. With its user-friendly app and range of features, it's no wonder why monese is gaining popularity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.